Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGM Classic Cars here in Addison, Illinois. And today I have this 1969 Chevrolet Camaro finished in this beautiful color. One of my favorite colors on a Chevy product. This here has a 427 built motor, estimated to be around 500 horse and less than 500 miles since the guy put the motor in. It's got a turbo hydromatic 400 automatic transmission, all rebuilt to handle the power. It's got a 4-barrel carb, electric choke for easy starting, TCI Pistol grip shifter, in which we'll go over, so forth and so on. As I walk the car, I will show you guys a couple little things as far as if there's any defects in the paint. There currently are a couple small ones, but we are going to be taking care of those. So first and foremost, as you can see, it's a bad boy, ready for the street. The chrome, the trim, the gaps on the car, the glass, the weather stripping is all in very good condition all around. So let's walk in a little bit further. Paint has a great shine to it. The car has not gone through our detail department yet. So this car will be fully detailed before it leaves and before it gets shipped out to you guys or to the new owner, whoever that may be. Nice white rally stripes. They look white in the video, but they're actually a very light gray when you get up really close, okay? Could be the lighting, but I just wanted to make sure that's clear. Very nice reflection on the paint, as you can see. The lenses and the bezels all look good. There's a little nick right down here and a little tiny scratch right here. So we're gonna try and buff that out, and we're gonna touch that up, and this already has been touched up. So this is the driver's door. There's a couple little marks here. We're gonna try and buff those out as well. Door opens really nice. Door lips look factory. There's no rust underneath them. Nice door panels. Inner and outer jambs look good. New door sill plates. Even the door buzzer works, if you can hear it. Dash pad is good. Headliner is tight. 6x9s in the package tray. Door closes great. So the car does have power disc brakes. It's got a 10-bolt rear end, but it's been built to handle the horsepower when they dropped the 427 big block motor in it. It's got a 3-inch dual exhaust, which you guys are going to hear. Under the hood, it's got a 4-core aluminum radiator, electric water pump. Let's check that out. So here's that 427 motor. As you can see, the power disc there, the booster and the master cylinder, high-rise intake, 4-barrel carb with the electric choke, electric water pump, big aluminum radiator, Optima battery, just really nice. Chrome valve covers. As you can see, it's got rally wheels, Hoosiers in the back. Dual sport mirrors. Interior has your standard Camaro 69 bucket seats. Gauge package has been added with autometer gauges. Floors and trunk are solid. The frame's been tied in to handle the extra horsepower. Glass trim, all good. Weather stripping, all good. Hoses, fuel, brake lines have been gone through. Guys, gals, keep in mind this is not a real Z28, okay? But if you're looking for a big block, fast 69, 427, this is the car for you guys. It's beautiful. It really is, especially in this color. It's a forest green color, or some people call it, well, forest green is what a lot of people call it, but the actual color is called Fathom Green, and it's in really good condition. Let's fire it up. Easy start. Oh, baby. If that doesn't get your blood pumping, I don't know what will. See how nice the door closes? So a couple things on our pre-delivery inspection form we just go over. Turn signals work, headlights function, brake lights work, wipers are inoperable. Car's not really driven in any negative weather. Radio is missing, so you'll need to add a radio. Horn is non-operable, so you'll have to get that fixed. If your state needs that to pass inspection, I'm not sure. But right now the horn's not working. Tire pressure is good. We checked the oils, the coolant, the brake fluid. The transmission fluid was a little low when the car came in, so we got that fixed. Speedo works, RPM tach works. Oil pressure gauge works. Right now the fuel gauge is not working, so we're going to look into that. What we're also going to do is I'll fix the horn for it. It's an easy fix, so we have a full service department in the back. I'll fix the horn as well. Okay. Odometer shows about 17,000 miles. That's not accurate. This is a rebuilt 427 with less than 500 miles on it. So keep that in mind. That's the details to the car. I don't want to get a phone call and go, how many miles? Well, it shows 17,000. Why? Anyway, yeah, we get those calls. But MGM Classic Cars, located at 150 South Church Street, Addison, Illinois, 60101. We are open by appointment only, Monday through Friday, 9 to 5, and Saturday, 9 to 2. Showings are between like 10 to 4, and Saturdays like 10 to 2. So we're located in Addison. We're 20 minutes away from the Chicago O'Hare Airport and 45 minutes from Midway. If you guys wanted to fly in and check out the Z28, badged Z28, in person. If not, take advantage of our driveway delivery. It's all licensed, insured, and bonded right to your doorstep there. Wherever you live, we would just need your zip code, and I will leave my phone number at the end of this video. If you guys and gals are watching this on YouTube, subscribe to my channel. It's on the bottom right hand side, it's the red button. Every day we got new cars coming in, and all the cars here at MGM are all paid for. We own all our cars. Nothing is consignment, nothing is floor planned. So we put our money where our mouth is, and we buy some quality product cars and go through them and tell you all about them, the good and the bad and the ugly. So if you're watching on Facebook, like it, share it to your friends. These investments are great, guys. Value keeps going up and up. I mean, just go back and look what these things were worth 5 years ago and see what they're worth today. I mean, it's a win-win situation. It's a great tangible asset. Take advantage. If you're looking to finance and your credit score is like 600 to like 739, you'll need about 10% down. If your credit score is like 740 and higher, no money down options are available. Rates start at about 2.5%. They go all the way up to 7-8%. Just depends on your credit history. So keep that in mind if you're looking to finance. I'm going to leave my phone number at the end of this video, and that number is, grab a pen if you need it or rewind the video, whichever way is easier. My name is Thomas. I come to you from mgmclassiccars.com. My phone number is 847-848-1850. Text me your zip code, and I will shoot you back a quote. Please let me know what car you're calling about. If you can refer to the stock number, that would be great. It would just make things a lot more smoother and easier to work with. The stock number to this Camaro is 787. So if you are going to send me a text message, which is the quickest and best way, just say, hey, Thomas, seen the video, stock number 787, looking for shipping, here's my zip code. And let me know if you need financing or not, and I will handle that for you. That's going to get the quickest response. For those of you who do not text message, clearly understand my dad doesn't either until up to about a year ago. So I understand. You can leave me a voicemail at the end of my message if you do call the number. Again, Thomas, mgmclassiccars.com. Thanks for your time.